Let us start. At first, there is a command can be used to show and hide any folders in your Mac, even the system files. Let's look. This is my hard disk. When I press Shift, Command, and Dot, look, the hidden files are shown now. Okay, so let's begin to create a file and name it as we want. Okay, if we search it for this file here in Spotlight, we can find it. Okay, this is a folder. Now we can hide this folder. Just open terminal and write CHFLAGS space hidden space and drag the file you want to hide and press enter. Okay, look, the file is hidden now. We can use the command shift command dot. Here you can see the file. If you want to hide it, repeat the same command. Okay, if we search it for the file in Spotlight, I tick for Mac, you will find your file here. This means that Spotlight still can find your file. If you want to prevent this from happening, you have to go to System Preferences, Spotlight, Privacy, then show your file, press Command, Shift Command and dot, drag your application here, your folder here, and close this one. Also, right click, get info, and prevent anyone from reaching this file except you. You are the administrator or me. Everyone can't access. If you have a double profiles or guest profile in your MacBook, no one will find this folder again. Now let's hide this folder and go to Spotlight, write the name of the application, the name of the file. Now Spotlight can't find this folder. Okay, let's show this file again. If we want to unhide this file, CHFLAGS, no hidden space, and drag this folder, press enter. Now you will see that the folder is shown again. This can be done to any application also. If you want to hide certain application from opening by anyone except you, you can select this one, for example, and press the same command CHFLAGS space hidden space and drag the application and press enter. Now the application, okay, now the application is hidden and we can hide it completely by shift command dot. Also we can show it again if we press the same keys. If we want to unhide it, and drag the application, press enter. Okay. This can be done also to images, pictures, any application. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. You can also explore my website where you will find many tutorials and we can directly chat if you faced any problem.